So most retailers are forced to deal with items that either do not have a barcode, like a premium cigar where the manufacturer refuses to add one. So there are several options for handling these items within our system. So let's take a look. So in this Fast Tracks fact, we're going to be talking about handling items that don't scan. So most retailers are forced to deal with items that either do not have a barcode or items too bulky or in a different location to scan, like a bag of ice, whereas there may be a barcode, but the ice machine is outside the store and it doesn't make sense for the cashier to ask the customer to bring it inside. So there are several options for handling these items within our system. For items without a manufacturer barcode, or ones with an invalid or ever-changing barcode, you can use the system to create and print your own barcode. They can be printed within the POS, handheld, or control center, and there's a myriad of media options with both the Zebra and Dymo label printers. These are in addition to the Avery 8.5 by 11 label sheets. If printing a barcode doesn't make sense for the type of item you're selling, like ice, then within the POS you can ring up the item in several ways. You can configure a Sell Item button, and this will allow you to sell either a single item or present a list of items to the cashier to choose from. In some stores, like a deli or a bar, it may make sense to have several panels of nothing but Sell Item buttons. Additionally, the cashier can enter the POU number manually to sell the item. They simply type in the number and press the POU button. Finally, the Item Search button can be used. Here, the cashier can search by various attributes like description or POU number. They'll select which results they wish to sell and then add them to the transaction. So no matter how the item is added to the sale, be it a scan, manual entry, Sell Item button, or Item Search, it's all treated the same. So that's it for this edition of Fast Tracks Facts.